guys, in this video I'm going to draw the Unpeeled Mythic. Let's start with a curve, and look how I'm using my hand there for that curve of the banana, and then we're going to curve that down like this, using my whole arm to sort of draw that curve. You could turn your page around if you wanted to. We've got the glasses are going to come in and across here like so, one semicircle and another curve coming out there, pretty much the same as my other Mr. Banana and Super Banana drawing, except this one's got a little bit of a censored area through here, so a little rectangle through there. The leg's going to pop out here with his sneakers. It's going to be a shoe there that's front on. This leg's more side on like this, with the shoe coming out and around like this, with the tongue, the shoe coming down, and don't forget the sole. He's got a smile there, and then he's got a goatee. I'm assuming that's a goatee beard. Let's bring his arm on. His hand's going to go there, his other hand's going to be there, and then he's got his peel on. I'm going to start outlining Unpeeled Mythic with his glasses. Let's get his glasses looking good. It comes up like that, then it comes down and around like so. They've got to be the same. And he's got a line across here, a line across there. Then we've got the little bits through here, that's the rim. Glass comes back into there. On the same angle, this one comes back and down like so. Curves around like that. Now this is the side of his banana, so I'm going to bring that around there. Bring that up to the top with a curve line like that. Another curve line like so. This one's going to curve back that way, and then we've got the top of the banana there like so. Then we're going to bring this one down, that curve down. This curve comes all the way down to there, and then this is the censored box through here, there, across here. It's a rectangle and back across. And we're going to bring this up. And there's an arm coming out here. Let's draw the arm, one line like that. The other arm comes down, two lines like so. Then we're going to draw the top of this, like a big bit like this. And then it comes down, there's the thumb and there's the hand there. On this side, you don't see the top of it, so we're going to bring this line like that, almost like a jelly bean, bring it around, and there's a thumb there like that. Let's draw the mouth. So he's got a bit of a line there, a bit of a line there, maybe that's like a moustache almost. Then we've got this little goatee bit here. Let's draw another line coming down here for the side of the banana. That's all like squares through there. You do see a bit of this leg coming down here, from there, and then they've got the tongue of the shoe, the front of the shoe, and then the sole of the shoe. And then on this side, let's draw the tongue coming around like this. The leg joins up into there and in behind here. And then we've got the shoe coming around like this. And then we've got a sole of the shoe on there. It's a bit more side on. Let's give the Unpeeled Mythic a thicker outline.